Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. Today's topic is Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Lakshadweep. India has two major island groups, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. Both are union territories, but their origin and physical structure are fundamentally different. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are mainly tectonic and mountainous islands, whereas Lakshadweep is primarily a group of coral islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands extend in a north-south direction in the southeastern part of the Bay of Bengal. The island group lies closer to Myanmar, Indonesia and the maritime region of Southeast Asia than to the Indian mainland, giving it considerable strategic importance. The group consists of about 572 islands, islets and rocky outcrops, of which only a limited number are permanently inhabited. The islands are divided into two major groups, the Andaman group in the north and the Nicobar group in the south. The 10-degree channel, located near 10 degrees north latitude, separates the Andaman group from the Nicobar group. North Andaman, Middle Andaman and South Andaman are the principal islands of the Andaman group and are collectively known as Great Andaman. Little Andaman lies south of Great Andaman and is separated from South Andaman by the Duncan Passage. Important islands of the Nicobar group include Car Nicobar, Camota, Cachal, Nankauri and Great Nicobar. Great Nicobar is the southernmost major island of the entire island group. Indira Point, located on Great Nicobar Island, is the southernmost point of India. Indira Point lies at approximately 6 degrees 45 minutes north latitude, and part of the area subsided during the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands represent elevated portions of a largely submerged mountain chain and are geologically associated with the Arakan-Yoma mountain system of Myanmar. The region lies close to an active convergent plate boundary associated with the Indian plate and the Burma microplate, making it vulnerable to earthquakes and tsunamis. Barron Island contains India's only confirmed active volcano. Nakondam is also of volcanic origin, but it is not considered an active volcano at present. The terrain of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is predominantly hilly and highly dissected, while coastal areas contain creeks, mangroves, narrow valleys and coral reefs. Saddle Peak, located in North Andaman, is the highest peak of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The islands contain tropical evergreen and semi-evergreen forests and support exceptionally rich biodiversity. Marine biodiversity includes coral reefs, mangroves, seagrass ecosystems, sea turtles and numerous tropical marine species. Some species, such as the Nakondam hornbill, have extremely restricted geographical distributions, increasing the conservation importance of these islands. Distinct indigenous communities such as the Great Andamanese, Onch, Jarawa, Sentinelese and Shompen inhabit different parts of the island group, and several of these communities are highly vulnerable to external contact. Port Blair is the capital and the principal administrative and transportation center of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The cellular jail at Port Blair is an important historical site associated with India's freedom struggle. The location of the islands near the approaches to the Strait of Malacca gives them exceptional importance for maritime connectivity between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. The islands provide India with strategic access for maritime surveillance, naval security and monitoring of major international sea routes in the eastern Indian Ocean. The Andaman and Nicobar Command is India's integrated tri-service command, coordinating the capabilities of the Army, Navy and Air Force. Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is located in the Arabian Sea to the west of the Kerala coast and is India's smallest union territory by area. It consists of a group of 36 islands, including islands, coral reefs and submerged formations. Lakshadweep is predominantly of coral origin and represents India's most prominent coral island group. These islands developed as coral formations over the upper portions of the submarine Lakshadweep Chagos Ridge system, which is associated with an underlying volcanic foundation. Atolls, coral reefs, sandy beaches and lagoons are the characteristic landforms of Lakshadweep. An atoll is generally a ring-shaped coral reef enclosing or partly enclosing a shallow lagoon. Important islands include Kavaratti, Agatti, Minicoy, Amani, Androt, Kadmat and Kalpeni. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. Agatti has an airport and serves as one of the principal gateways to the island group. Minicoy lies in the southern part of Lakshadweep and shows certain geographical and cultural differences from the other islands. The 9-degree channel separates Minicoy from the main Lakshadweep island group. The 8-degree channel lies between Minicoy and the Maldives. Lakshadweep islands have very low elevations, making them particularly vulnerable to sea level rise, coastal erosion and storm-induced marine flooding. There are no permanent rivers, and freshwater resources are limited. Rainwater and thin underground freshwater lenses are important sources of water. Coconut is the principal crop, and coconut-based products have an important role in the local economy. Fishing, particularly tuna fishing, is an important source of livelihood and economic activity. Coral reefs act as natural barriers against strong sea waves and provide habitats for diverse marine organisms. Coral bleaching, rising sea temperatures, coastal erosion, pollution and uncontrolled human activities are major threats to the fragile island ecosystem. Lakshadweep's position in the Arabian Sea is strategically important for India's maritime security, surveillance of western sea routes and its exclusive economic zone. The fundamental geographical difference between the two island groups lies in their origin. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are mainly a tectonic and mountainous island chain with volcanic features, while Lakshadweep consists predominantly of low-lying coral islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands strengthen India's strategic presence in the eastern Indian Ocean and towards Southeast Asia, while Lakshadweep enhances India's geographical and strategic reach in the Arabian Sea and the western Indian Ocean. Thank you very much for joining us. For more useful study material, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Pariksha Academy channel.